I am outside the former Sears. There is no label scar anywhere. They're building it right now. Looks so scary and shocked looking. Anyways, now we're gonna try to drive up to the sign on the other side, right over there. It's a road, it's right there, but I don't even know if there's a label scar anymore. Let's see, this side. Yep, there's an old label scar. The label scar is right there. It says Sears, but you can't really see it. Label scar? Yes, it definitely says Sears right there. Well, anyway, let's just drive around the building. See anything? I don't see much. Just a bunch of construction. There's a bunch of construction on the Sears. Here's their old auto place right here. It's the auto center of Sears. Well, yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. So, bye.